As a freelancer or business owner, in Italy there are several dates you must have on your fiscal calendar. Let's start with a tax return that must be submitted by the end of November of the following fiscal year. At the same time, in Italy there are actually two rounds of payments due for personal income. One by June of the following fiscal year, including the balance payment of the previous tax year, plus the first payment on account for the current year. By November, when you should pay the second round due for the account of the current fiscal year. Regardless of your tax regime, the tax return deadlines are there for you. If you're eligible or you opted for the Regime Ordinario and the Regime Impatriati tax benefit, every quarter you may have to recap all the input-output movements by the liquidazione periodica of your VAT. And if there is any difference due, you have to pay the VAT using the F24 form. In some cases, if your activity code required the registration to the Chamber of Commerce section, every 3 months you have to pay the personal pension contributions to the INPS. In this case, just because Italy loves to mix dates and mess up with bureaucracy, deadlines are February, May, August, and November, plus balance in June and November. All this to show you how picking a wrong activity code or a wrong tax regime can potentially lead to unnecessary fiscal obligations and, following from that, overpaid service and professionals to take care about your tax duties in Italy. In any case, after the VAT request is over and you have your Partita Iva, you don't need to pay taxes until the end of the current fiscal year. Worst case, eventually, you may receive some pension contributions to pay by the following quarter.